I'm Dr. Santosh Kumar. I'm working in Ramaya Dental College. I'm a postgraduate student here. Today we organize in Ramaya Dental College. People are organizing a blood camp for good cause, and most of the people are participating in this. All doctors, undergraduates and postgraduates.
Melvani. I'm an intern in MS Ramaya Dental College. I think it's a great initiative to have blood donation camps. You should have it every 6 months. It's very helpful to be able to donate blood. You're saving other people's lives as well as improving your own. So yeah, go blood donation.
And today we are conducting blood donation camp in MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences. And this camp is going well because many of the university students of all colleges are donating. And we are expecting good number of donors today, and anybody who is above 18 years of age and 45 years of weight can donate, who is healthy and not on any medication for any problem. So that's most important. And beyond that, regarding blood pressure, hemoglobin and all, which can take. So as far as donor is concerned, there is no problem with the donor. No problem for him health-wise, because we take all precautions. And after taking the blood, we test in the blood bank for various diseases like AIDS, jaundice, syphilis, malaria, etc. So we take care and we ensure the safety of the patient also.
I am Dr. Srinivas Murthy, Dean, Faculty of Dental Science of MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences. Here in our faculty, they are all doctors. Students are going to become doctors. So we want to inculcate them about the factor empathy, because they have to appreciate the needs of the society, not only treating the patient, but some commitment to the society and community should be there. In that regard, various activities we have planned, and it has been happening from many years. Not only one of the novel activities is the blood donation camp. So it will have them a feeling of sense of giving, the joy of giving, that will be there. Apart from this, we have in NSS various activity, National Integration Day, Flag Day, and Swachhata Bharata Day. All those things we are doing it for the students. That will make them aware about as a society, as a payback to the community. That is what we want to do it. We made it in two groups. One, we have engineering faculty. There we had last week blood donation camp, and more than 150 bottles of blood were collected from the donors, the students especially. Today we are also reaching about planning to have more than 150 blood donation activity. I mean, more than 150 people have already registered for today's activity. This is one myth, as you told, it is there in the public, but it is very well proved that any person who is aged more than 18 and whose blood percentage, hemoglobin percentage is more than 12, a healthy individual can give a blood once in 6 months, which no side effects, or you won't become weak or anything. The human body system is so well structured so that whatever blood loss, it won't affect. And in fact, that will stimulate a new blood formation by giving once in a way this blood donation. And it's a noble cause. Definitely it will help. Sometimes it may be their relative only will be helpful by having these doing this blood donation, and we always need the blood stock should be there, especially in these metropolitan city. A lot of accidents, trauma and are happening. So this will be a good activity, I should say.